Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make one of my favorite natural hair supplies, my DIY African black soap shampoo that promotes hair growth, deeply cleanses the scalp, and still keeps your hair soft and moisturized. And I know this is what you're interested in. If you're new here, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Now let's get started. For the making of this shampoo, we'll be needing African black soap, which is our star ingredient, warm water, honey and aloe vera gel. African black soap cleanses the scalp, removes buildup, and promotes growth by keeping your follicles healthy. I can attest to that because this is the second time I'm making it. In fact, it is the only shampoo I use because of my sensitive scalp that reacts to other chemically formulated shampoo, so we are going on natural. The warm water helps dilute the soap to make it gentle enough for your hair. You can cut your soap into small chunks to make it dissolve faster. I'll let mine sit for about 30 minutes to 1 hour or more to let it sit and dissolve while I prepare other ingredients. The next ingredient on the list is aloe vera. You can use a fresh plant or a store-bought aloe vera gel for this. As you can see, I'm using the aloe vera plant because I already have it here. So I'll just go ahead and separate the gel from the skin. After I was done separating the gel from the skin, I'll just go ahead and sieve it out to get rid of any chunks that might be in the gel. After the soap is fully melted, I'll be adding the aloe vera gel, which hydrates and soothes the scalp, and then a tablespoon of honey, which is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and lets moisture from the air into your hair strands, and then keeps your hair soft, hydrated and manageable after washing. And then a few drops of my essential oils. You can do same for yours. Mix everything together until it's smooth and well combined, just the way I'm doing. You should have a slightly runny brownish or black shampoo consistency, not too thick, not too watery. Pour it into your bottle and it's ready to use. To use this shampoo, make sure to properly drench your hair in water and then add a generous amount directly to your scalp and massage gently with your fingertips. You will notice it leathers really well even though it's natural. Work it through your hair and rinse thoroughly with warm water. Follow up with a very deep conditioner or leave-in to lock in moisture. You can use this every 1 to 2 weeks depending on your hair type and how often you wash your hair. This black soap shampoo gently cleanses your scalp without stripping your hair's natural oils. It helps with dandruff, reduces product buildup, boosts blood circulation to the scalp, and promotes stronger, healthier hair growth. It's also super affordable. One bar of African black soap can last you for months if stored properly. A few quick tips. Always shake your bottle before each use, since natural ingredients can settle. Store in a cool, dry place and try to use it within 3 to 4 weeks. If you have a sensitive scalp, start with a small patch test first. And always remember, consistency is key when it comes to hair growth. And that's it for today's video. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe and share it with someone who is trying to grow their natural hair. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used African black soap on your hair, or if you'll be trying this DIY recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.